Hi guys, it's your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, still nasally. So welcome to another Create and Relate ASL style. Again, thank you for all of my subscribers, new and old timers. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please remember when you come in to hit that thumb, and when you subscribe and you see that bell, hit the one with the dimples so that you're always aware when I'm dropping fresh new content. Keep up with the ASL so we can learn things together. Don't forget, facial expressions are really important. Talk while you're using the sign language. We do a lot of reading lips. Let's see, what else? Ways to learn are to mimic yourself in the mirror. Record yourself on your phone. Go back and look at it. Or teach somebody. And as you're learning together. Because it's just as important to read sign language as it is to perform it. Okay? So, today we are going in with the letter J. J. You take your eye finger and you draw the letter J. That's simple. J. Okay, just as we did before, I'm going to give you 3 words. And then I'm going to show you signs and let you try to figure out which one goes with what. Our 3 words today are going to be joint. Joint. That's Joint. Jump. Jump, and join, Join. Now I'm going to do the signs, and they're not going to be in the same order. We're going to start with okay, and okay. So how do you think you did? Okay. So the first one is join. You take your hands open and you make 2 F's, connecting them together. So you make like a chain link. Join. Join. The second one is joint. Like you're interlocking bones. Joint. I started to say joist because I'm thinking interlocking joist as well. I used to build houses, y'all. So join. Join. And then the last one, of course, looks just like it sounds. Jump. Jump. Okay? So we have join, joint, and jump. So how do you think you did today? Feeling more confident? You should be. I think you're all doing a fantabulous job. Keep going. I mean, we're like more than a third through. We really don't have that many more to go, and then we're going to start getting more into it. Sounds like fun? It is. It's a lot of fun. I want to thank each and every one of you for all of your support. I want to thank you for all of your comments, your questions, your suggestions, everything. Please continue to comment. If you need to reach me in any way, you can always email me at kittylane.createandrelate@gmail.com. That's kittylane.createandrelate@gmail.com. I answer all comments, I answer all notes, I answer all emails. So please just reach out if you need any help whatsoever. I thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. And please don't forget, in everything that you do, love yourself. Because self-love is the greatest love of all. And you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you first love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. And you deserve the best. Remember, Kitty told you that. So until I see you again on these YouTube streets, peace out.